What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and in this video I'm going to share with you the 7 different revenue streams that I've built for myself as a creator here on the YouTube platform. And at the end of the video I'm going to share with you 4 new revenue streams that I plan to add this year. Here is everything you need to know. Let's go. Alright, so here are the 7 revenue streams that I'm going to break down for you in this video that relate to me as a creator. I also make money in 2 different ways that I'm also going to share with you later on in the video, and at the end of the video, like I said, a little bit of the plan for the future. Now, to start us off here, all of my content is focused on finance and trading and investing and managing your money, and so realistically, that is usually the #1 way that I make money. I have a tax-free savings account. I live in Canada, by the way. So I have a tax-free savings account that allows me to invest in growth stocks and swing trading, totally tax-free. I have an RRSP account that allows me to collect dividends from dividend-paying stocks, especially in the US, without any withholding tax. I also have a couple of margin accounts on a variety of different platforms, and I have a couple of crypto accounts that are mostly focused on long-term holds. And so between the day trading and the swing trading, this is usually the largest revenue stream for me on a monthly basis, but obviously there's good months and there's bad months. Now, the next stream of revenue for me comes from AdSense. This is how much money YouTube pays me for the ads that play before and after my videos here on YouTube. This is paid out by Google, and honestly, it's not a whole lot of money. I don't really focus on it a whole lot, and honestly, I'd rather you get a lot of value out of my videos and maybe take one of my courses rather than me just fill these videos with ads. And so just to show you how much money it really is, I brought in about $676 US worth of AdSense revenue in the last 28 days. So honestly, not a whole lot of money, but it is nice. It's just a little bit of kind of icing on the cake for making these videos. Now, the third way that I make money is through courses. I recently just launched a day trading for beginners course. I'll put a link to it down below. That is so far doing extremely well. I also have a couple of courses on Skillshare where people can sign up completely free for 1 month. They can take the course, and if they like Skillshare, they like the courses after 1 month, it's going to cost them a yearly annual fee. Otherwise, they can cancel the subscription, they can take all my content, and it's totally free. Now, Skillshare pays extremely well, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So here are my different courses, and if we go to your teacher stats, I will scroll down here, and you can see that like July 2021 here, it paid $8,400, $79, $81, $88, $97, $91, and these are all US dollars. And so each month, some months are really good. When I started, it was only $10 and then $100 and then $284, but it actually got all the way up to $19,000 per month USD just from Skillshare. Now we're kind of hovering around $5,000 or $6,000 USD per month, but I just launched a new course, so hopefully that goes up. But realistically, most of the people are getting these courses for free if they can do it in under 1 month. So it's kind of nice. It's really good, and I don't feel like I'm gouging people in any way. Now, the next revenue stream here is affiliate links. If you watch any of my videos, you'll notice I try and direct people to the links underneath my videos if they are interested in using out my broker or using out this trading platform or this software. Well, those affiliate links usually pay me if somebody clicks on those links and creates an account or deposits money or makes a trade. Something usually has to happen there, and if they do that, then these platforms will usually send me a deposit into my account that I personally use. So Newton is where I keep all of my crypto, Addy is where I make my real estate investments, and Questrade is where I make all of my swing trades and day trades. These are platforms that I actually use, and if you want to use them, you use my link, and if you actually use them, they will pay me for basically bringing you in as a customer. Now, it's definitely not a lot of money, but just to show you here, I will log into my Newton account, and you can kind of see that it is reasonable. It's definitely a pretty decent amount of money here, and it's actually really nice. So Newton's pretty secure, and they always make you do this 2-factor authentication. But if you go to the right-hand side here, let's just see if you can. Okay, I got to move this screen over. So let's just go to referrals here. You can see I've made about $9,800 from Newton, and Newton is where I actually keep my crypto. Oh, I got to move the screen back. Newton is where I actually keep my crypto portfolio. It's currently at about $15,000, and a lot of it has come from referrals, which is nice, but I actually still use Newton like 2 years later. And that's why I refer it, and that's why I have it as an affiliate link, because I actually think it's a good platform and I actually still use it. Now, The next one here is sponsorships. There are a lot of companies out there that are developing software products or mobile apps, or maybe they're a bank, whatever it might be, and they want to promote their products here on YouTube. They will reach out to me, usually by email, and they'll say, hey Zach, we want to do a YouTube integration, or we want you to do a video where you review our platform, and we will pay you XYZ. Usually it's around $1,000 to $2,000 for a full-length video. And I will make a video reviewing Wealthsimple, or showing people how to use Newton, or using the CIBC trading platform, or walking people through why Coho is a good app for building your credit. Different things like that. And again, I use Newton, I use CIBC, I have a Wealthsimple account, and I've been using Coho for 2 years. So I usually try to take sponsorships from companies that I actually like. Now, next one here is my Discord chat. This is a private paywalled community where I share my trades and my analysis. It is $5 per month, and I'll just see if I can bring it up right here. I try to keep it really cheap so that anybody that wants to join can join, and we kind of get the community effect where the more people that are in there, the better. The more trade ideas that are floating around, the more opportunities there are. And this is sort of what it looks like right here. So if we go to Hartley Trading, we can scroll down, you can see my videos and my watch list here. You can also see my analysis of the stocks that I am watching and my actual trades. So this is kind of cool. This is sort of the more in-depth version. If you like my videos, you'll definitely like Discord, and if you don't like my videos, then definitely don't sign up because you won't like what's in there. But that's kind of my community that I'm trying to build up here and grow. Now, the next one here is mentorship. Some people call it mentorship. Realistically, it's a conference call. If you want to speak to me and you want my help, that's no problem. We can set that up. All you do is you go to this website. It's called Clarity. I will pull it up right now so that you can see it. 1 second. And what it does, oh crap, I just exited the PowerPoint. What it does is it allows you to book a conference call with me. It's $2 per minute. And as soon as you join the call and I join the call, the timer starts and it starts charging you. But basically you're gonna pay for my advice, or my opinion, not advice, my opinion. And I'm gonna give you as much help as I possibly can for as long as you want on that conference call. If you have questions about how to use Questrade or open an account, or how the TFSA works, or what to invest in, actually I can't help you with that one because that would be illegal, but I will give you my opinion. I will give you my honest thoughts about what you should do, what you could do, and it's really a great service. If you want to have a phone call with me, you can book it through here. It's really simple, $2 per minute, and I will link it down below. Now I gotta get back to this spreadsheet here. Sorry, this is a little bit messy. Okay, 7 revenue streams as a creator. We are synced up there. Okay, mentorship, I talked about that one. The 2 streams that are not related to me being a creator in any way are Amazon. I manufacture products and sell them through Amazon fulfillment, mostly in the United States. So I will get 100 or 200 units made of this product that I designed. I'll get them made here, ship them down to the States, list them on Amazon.com, and people can buy them through Amazon, and Amazon does all of the fulfillment. So all I need to do is send down boxes of product, which is really, really nice. My products are between $20 and $100. They're very small in size. They're manufactured locally, and I designed them and then found a manufacturer to basically build them, and then I get them delivered to me and I ship them in. It's a really, really nice business, and I'll just show you kind of what the numbers look like. In the last month here, I've done about $6,000. So we'll just go to payments actually so you can see what comes to me. We'll go to disbursements here. Okay, so this next payout here is going to be about $2,000. Before that it was $2,000. Before that it was $800, which seems kind of weird, and then $1,800, $4,600 because this payment was missed here. My credit card was expired or something, and then $1,900, $1,300, $1,800. So let's call it like $1,700 every 2 weeks is what comes back to me, and I make pretty good margins on them. So obviously not 100%, but probably about $1,000 US every 2 weeks is what I'm making on Amazon right now, which is it's pretty good pocket change. And then I also do some crypto. So I'm currently mining crypto. I have a couple of videos here on YouTube. If you want to see what my mining setup looks like and how not profitable it is right now, you can definitely check out those videos. Hopefully Bitcoin goes back up and I start to make more money on that, but we will see what happens with that. Now, additional revenue streams. This is what I promised you at the beginning of the video. 4 new revenue streams that I plan to add this year. Number 1, digital downloads. I've got a trading journal, I've got some spreadsheets, I've got some trackers that I personally think are very valuable, so I'm going to start selling them through my website this year. I also am planning to start a couple of additional YouTube channels, primarily focused on the finance and investing space to hopefully generate additional revenue and additional affiliate links and basically additional everything that I talked about here. I'm also looking at duplicating some of my channels and my content. So instead of just talking in English, I'm going to take the same video and I'm going to have somebody translate it to a variety of different languages and turn it into a different channel so that it can focus on a specific geographic region. That way I can generate ads there and I can build an audience there as well. And lastly, I plan to add Amazon affiliate. That way, if somebody wants to buy the camera that I use to film this, or the mouse that I use for my trading, or the screen, whatever it is, I can make some referral money by using an Amazon link so that if anybody buys an Amazon product, using that link, I will get a referral commission, which would be really nice. So that's what I plan to do in the future. Now, if you're interested in anything that I talked about in this video, I will link everything down below. But if you got any value out of this video, please remember to click that like and subscribe button. I sincerely appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video. Good luck trading, good luck investing, good luck making money, and we'll talk to you soon.